If you've imported a CSV list into AWeber and now your contacts look like a total mess, wrong formatting, missing data, or everything jumbled, you're not alone. This happens more often than it should, and in this quick video, I'll explain exactly why your AWeber CSV list is disorganized, how to fix it, and what you can do to avoid this problem in the future. Plus, if you're tired of dealing with these issues, I'll share a better alternative at the end that makes managing email lists way easier. So, why is your AWeber CSV import so messy? One major reason is column mapping. When you import a list, AWeber tries to match your CSV's columns with its own fields, name, email, tags, etc., but it often gets it wrong. If your columns aren't labeled correctly or formatted how AWeber expects, data can land in the wrong places, leaving you with incomplete or broken entries. Next thing, file encoding. If your CSV file was created in Excel, Google Sheets, or another tool, it might be encoded in a format AWeber doesn't fully support, like UTF-16 instead of UTF-8. This can cause weird characters, missing information, or formatting errors when AWeber tries to read your file. Another issue, special characters. If your contact list has names with accents, apostrophes, or other special characters, AWeber might not handle them properly, leading to missing or garbled text. This is a common problem when importing international lists or data exported from older systems. The fourth thing, extra spaces and hidden characters. If your CSV has spaces before or after email addresses or names, AWeber might treat them as separate entries or reject them altogether. This happens a lot when lists have been copy-pasted from different sources without proper cleaning. Final issue, duplicates and invalid emails. If your list has duplicate emails or improperly formatted addresses, AWeber will either reject them or split them into multiple entries, making your list harder to manage. Some users also report that Auber's filtering isn't perfect, so you might still end up with duplicates even after an import. Now, AWeber is a solid email marketing tool, but it's not the best when it comes to handling CSV imports cleanly. If you're looking for an alternative that simplifies this process, has better automation, and makes list management effortless, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.